Hamilton sits again at his desk, candlelight flickering across pages filled with careful script. He has defended the presidency, the courts, and the structure of government. Now he turns to one last controversy, the demand for a Bill of Rights. In Federalist No. 84, Hamilton argued that a Bill of Rights was not only unnecessary, but potentially dangerous. To him, the Constitution already contained its own safeguards for liberty. It defined and limited the powers of government. Anything not granted, he said, was already reserved to the people. He asked, why declare that things shall not be done which there is no power to do? If the Constitution gives Congress no power to restrict free speech, why list it as a right? To Hamilton, that could imply the government had authority over everything not explicitly protected. He pointed to the structure of the document itself. Elections would hold leaders accountable. The separation of powers would restrain ambition. The judiciary would guard the Constitution. Together, these checks formed a living protection for freedom, one stronger than any parchment promise. Still, Hamilton was no enemy of liberty. He feared that an incomplete list of rights could weaken the very ones it aimed to protect. Better, he believed, to bind government by limits than to trust it with definitions. Yet history took another path. The Anti-Federalists demanded written guarantees. The people agreed, and within a few years, the first 10 amendments, the Bill of Rights, were added. It was a compromise between caution and conviction, between Hamilton's logic and Madison's reassurance. Hamilton's warning, however, still echoes. Rights can be protected, but they can also be reinterpreted. Every generation must decide whether freedom depends on the text, or on the spirit behind it. He closed Federalist No. 84 with faith in the Constitution's design. He believed liberty would endure through structure, balance, and the good sense of the people. Whether he was right or not is still an open question. What do you think? Was Hamilton correct that liberty is safest in a government of defined powers? Or do we still need a Bill of Rights to remind power where its limits end?